Hey everyone, today I'm super excited to introduce you to this awesome extended handle massage gun. So here's the box. Okay. So now let's talk about the package first. It comes in this clean box, and inside you will find everything you need. First it's the massage gun itself. So we got the massage gun, the user menu, and a bunch of massage head in all kinds of shape and levels. You see, we got the 4 massage head in total here, and we also got this very special silicone cover. You may wonder, what's this for? Just like so you see, like, you put the silicone cover on the massage head, so this cover can reduce the intensity of the massage, as some people don't like the very heavy intensity and they prefer more gentle experience.